Good morning, students. Before it, you study t-test, f-test and verify your data that it is coming from the population or not. Here is chi-square test, and this test will also tell you that our data is coming from the normal population or not. And by the help of this test, we can verify our data. In this test, we have OI and EI, where OI is set of observed or experimental frequencies and EI corresponding set of expected and theoretical frequency. The formula of this chi-square test is sigma I goes from 1 to n OI minus EI का whole square upon EI, and the value of sigma OI equal to sigma EI, and say this is capital N and this capital N is the total frequency, and the degree of freedom is n minus 1 at 5% level. We can see this value in chi-square table. Here are two important points. First point is, if the value of chi-square equal to 0, then observation and theoretical frequency agree exactly, otherwise they do not agree exactly. And you know very well the degree of freedom is n minus 1 at 5% level. Now, condition for applying chi-square test. First condition is, when the value of n is very large, we can apply, and sample observation should be independent. The value of sigma OI is sigma EI, and the value of n should be large, at least 50. Then you can apply this test. Number of theoretical frequency should be small, minimum 5 or better 10. If small theoretical frequency less than 10, then the difficulty is outcome by grouping two or more classes together before calculating OI minus EI. And if the data is given in a series of n, then the degree of freedom is n minus 1. But in the case of binomial distribution, this is n minus 1. And in the case of Poisson distribution, this is n minus 2. And in normal distribution, the degree of freedom is n minus 3. Now, this chi-square test is a test of goodness of fit. In chi-square goodness of fit test, the term goodness of fit used to compare the observed sample distribution with the respectively probability distribution. Chi-square goodness fit test determine how well theoretical distribution such as normal, Poisson, binomial fit the empirical distributions. If the calculate value chi-square is less than the tabulated value at specified level of significance, the fit is considered to be good, otherwise it is poor. Now, here one numerical based on this chi-square test is, out of 300 customers, we find 88 prefer brown color car, 65 prefer grey color, 52 prefer red color, and 40 prefer blue, and 55 prefer white color. Test the hypothesis that all colors are equally popular. Now, first of all, we have to assume our H0 and H1. There are two types of hypothesis. H0 hypothesis, we say that the statement is true. And what is the statement of this numerical. In this numerical, that all color are equally popular. H0 is the color are equally popular, and H1 is the color are not equally popular. EI is expected frequency. How we can find expected frequency? We have to given OI, observation frequency. Observation frequency is O1, O2, O3, O4 and O5. These values we have to given. O1 is 88. 88 prefer brown color car. Then O1 is 88 and same 65, 52, 40 and 55. So these are observation frequency. Now how we can find the expected frequency? Expected frequency means mean of observation frequency. Find the mean of observation frequency. This value is 60. Now what is chi-square test? Chi-square test is I equal to 1 to 5. We have 5 observation frequency. That's why we are saying here I goes 1 to 5. And this is OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI. And we can write this value in the same way. OI 88, EI 60, and this will 88 minus 60 ka whole square upon 60, and same values we can write very easily. And by the calculate, chi-square calculate value is 21.435. Now we can find chi-square tabulated value. This is, we say, degree of freedom, and degree of freedom is n minus 1. N minus 1 at 5% level. This is 5 minus 1, 4, and this is 9.487. This value we can see in chi-square table. The value of chi-square calculated is greater than chi-square table value. Therefore, H0 rejected. What is the significance of H0 rejected? It means customers has color preferences. Now here is the second example.